Welcome to my YouTube channel Paramount English Study with Rajan Sir. Myself Dr. Rajan Kumar Srivastav. I have brought here topic tense, especially for those who are studying here English grammar. And this video is not only for one class students, while this topic is important for those who are preparing their exams and for competitions also. So let's see here the topic. So we see here, you can see here English grammar class topic tense. Tense means time. You have studied. You can understand here in easy way definition. Tense shows the time of action or incident. Definition is very easy, you can understand it very easily. Tense shows the time of action or incident. I have given here example. Example first, Ravi is a good boy. Example second, they were kind. Example third, we should play class in the hall next day. It means you can see here. Example, Ravi is a good boy. Here it shows in present tense. You can find here is, and here you can see in second example, they were kind. Here also indicates here past tense. And in third example, we shall play chess in the hall next day. You can find here shall and play in future tense. Main verb here play and helping verb shall. It shows here future tense. In present tense, you know, action shows in present time. In past tense, action shows in past time. And in future, action shows in future time. So here, all of three examples you have seen. Ravi is a good boy. They were kind. We shall play chess in the hall next day. It shows here tense, present tense, past tense, future tense. Now we have to study here kinds of tense. Kinds of tense. Present tense, past tense, future tense. First is present tense. Is MR. For singular number of subject we use here is. For plural number of subjects we use here or. And for subject I we use here am in present. In past tense, was and were we find here helping verb. In present, we had used here is MR. In past tense, we use here was and were. For singular number subject, we use here was, and for plural number subjects, we use here were. But one thing should be mentioned here, as for I, that is treated as a singular number subjects, I, and we use here along with I was. Only in imagination case we use here were along with I. Next, in future tense. In future tense you can see here helping verb you have studied shall and will. So shall and will be used in future tense. They are the helping verb. In previous classes you have studied here auxiliaries, primary auxiliaries and modal auxiliaries. Primary auxiliaries means is, am, are, was, were, has, have, had. And in modals you have studied here shall, will, may, might, must, can, could, should, would, ought to, has to, have to, had to, will have to, shall have to, needn't, used to, dare. All these things are studied in previous classes in primary auxiliaries. You also should know I and we, first person. We and I, first person. And you, he, she, you is recorded here, second person. You. And he, she, it, they. He, she, it, they, and or other name, and name, other name, others. Others means other names may be here. Others name. They may be regarded, they are regarded here third person. In general case, we use here I, we. With I and we use here shall. It means for first person we use here shall, and for second person you, and for third person he, she, it, they, and other names we use here will. Only in conditional, only in the matter of condition, contrast, or in very imperative case, we use here just opposite. Just opposite means where we use here will, we shall use here shall, and where we use here shall, we must use here will. Only in case of condition, contradiction, or in very imperative cases. After that, we shall study here classification of tense. I will teach you in next video. So I hope all of you have studied here tense and understood all issues very clearly. In next video you will understand the next thing. So thanks. I hope all of you have understood the topic today here, and if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.